Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. My brain is just like, I keep trying to do this intro and I'm just like, help me, my brain is melting. It is so hot outside that I kind of feel like in this studio, I'm like in a sauna and it's making me not think properly. Also, I thought I would start this very easy process of getting rid of half of my makeup, and I thought I could do it in one evening, and it has been one of those things that is like really challenging, that took a lot longer, where my husband is like, can we go to bed please, because you've been like looking through your makeup for 3 hours. And he's like, you've been playing with the makeup for hours, can you please stop? And I'm like, playing? You think I'm just playing over here? Like, I have been working so much on this project. I put a lot of thought into separating all my makeup that was going to donations into proper bins of lips, face products, hair products, skincare, just everything. I took everything out of here. I spilled it all on the floor in my living room. We are about to jump to that. And I'm just gonna show you guys kind of how I go about my donations. I also have a giant epic good giveaway in this video for you guys, and just check the description box below to see how to enter. This is the biggest donation that I have done because I really cleaned out so much from all of the drawers behind me. I let go of a lot. I was like, Tati, come on, let it go. You don't need all of this for yourself. Like, donate it, do good. And I'm really happy about just how this all went down and with the process. And also, I have to tell you guys that once we get everything out of my living room, I am gonna give you a proper tour of this room behind me. So much has changed, like my setup has changed, the drawers are cleaned out, and I wanna give you a good makeup collection. I have never done that, and really like show you everything that is in this space that is makeup, and just kind of give you that good, juicy, behind the scenes type of a video. So let's magically time travel to my living room. Okay, you guys, so here we are on the floor in my home, and I am going through all of the donation bins, and I realized that I need to dump everything out and organize it, because it's just kind of grown to a point that there's just so much going on here that I kind of want to put like all the lipsticks together and all the skincare, and that way when I drop this off downtown in LA, they are all kind of like set to go. But this is the build, like this is what happens. This is insane. I guess let's just kind of undo these bins and see what's inside. Oh my god. Okay. I feel like I just did a drop off a couple of months ago. I try to do them monthly, but this is like so insane. So when you guys see me doing tons of giveaways and I talk about not being able to try, test, review absolutely everything, like this is it. I'm gonna be here all night long. I'm gonna leave these things full because, as you can see, they're like dryers and packages that are solid and good. I have some clothing and like little, you know, tumblers and things like that in here, but I really want to like kind of go in and just, I don't know what I want to do. Ah! This is part of the process of getting the beauty room completely set, done, cleansed, and I'm happy to take you guys with me. So I have been going at this for like over 2 hours. It's now dark outside. I did not think this would take so much time, but I'm happy that I did it because I was able to completely sort out all of these lip products. You guys, this is unreal. Right now I have all lip products in here, skincare items over here. I have fragrance and I have hair care. I also have, what is this, nail stuff. Sorted out the glitters, like larger PR boxes that are just like completely set to go. Makeup bags, lashes, brushes, all face products, meaning primers, foundations, concealers, larger boxes right here. In here we have gift sets, palettes. I have brow products sectioned out. I have illuminators sectioned out, mascaras. I have liners. So everything is kind of in its own Ziploc bag, nice and tidy. Whew. She's done for right now. This is about as much as I can handle. The next thing I need to do is sort just a little bit more, get a bigger giveaway ready for you guys, and then drop this stuff off downtown. I did also manage to already pull a few things that I think would be like so great for a giveaway. You know, little Bobbi Brown, Tata Harper, Lancome, Dior Polish, Revolution, Monsieur Big Mascara. So hold tight. A good giveaway is coming. This is the biggest drop-off we've done. It's a lot.
That's a lot of makeup.
All right, I think this is great. So we have tons of foundation, just like excess stuff, clothing, skincare, makeup, like you name it, we got it. We're gonna get this downtown. So I donate to the Downtown Women's Center, and they really help get women back on their feet, find job placement, help them feel great about themselves. Still have a few more things inside going to a separate organization, but I'm gonna send Taylor on his way. Instagram famous, Beau Roses. Round of applause. He's a charitable man too. He's going to take this downtown for me while I continue filming and organizing. So there you have it. So donation 1 is on its way, and then here we have our giveaway set up. One of you guys will take home all of this. It's going to be super easy to enter. Just check out the description box below. And I do random giveaways all the time, so these will keep coming your way. Just stay subscribed, leave comments. Sometimes I just choose at random out of the blue, but this is what's happening for this video. And then over here we have bags that are set up pretty evenly with a little bit of this and that for a organization that I work with that helps teenage girls that are at risk. I also kind of separated out the concealers, palettes, more lip items. So this is the next stop, and then mission, donation, organization will be complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. I know it was kind of different, but I hope it was fun to watch, and I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next one. Mwah.